Hello everyone, this is Ross with Market Traders Daily, and this is today's video analysis for November 19, 2019. Today we're looking at the USDCAD, the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar, for today's trade analysis. A couple of different trends that, of course, we need to recognize here on this time frame. The red trend line, clearly a bearish trend as it went from the 1.334050 level all the way down into the 1.3050 level. So significant downtrend. We saw a little bit of retracement with that along the black trend line as it came right back up from the lows into the 1.326575 area as the market found resistance just a few days ago. Now we see the market turning back down again. Over the past 3 days, let's just call it 3 days, the market has been bearish. The dollar has been falling, and we've seen the dollar CAD pressuring lower as well, pushing underneath what is now our resistance zone, 1.3220, 3210. These zones are getting pretty tight together, but that's the nature of the movement of this currency pair right now, is just moving within 10, 15, 20 pip areas for the past couple of weeks. Let's go ahead and zoom it in. Makes it a little bit easier to see what's been happening. Capping the green zone, falling down to the yellow zone, pushing the yellow zone down to the pink zone, under the pink zone, and now what I'm looking for is for it to hold underneath that pink zone today. So we're going to use that as our intraday resistance. That'll even make more sense when we get down to the 4-hour time frame. From there, we'll look for it to head back down to the orange shaded area, and hopefully we'll even look for it all the way back down here to the green zone. The risk right now is pretty tight. We just don't want it to get back above that pink zone. Now that we're under it, we want to see it stay underneath 3210, 3220, and if it does, our expectations of pushing down to the orange zone and the green zone are increasing as long as it stays underneath that pink zone. If it gets right back above the pink zone, we could be looking for it to go back up. We did break through that black trend line, showing some change of momentum as the market was going up, pushing through the black trend line and now pressuring back down. Again, like I said, I think it makes more sense as you look at it on the 4-hour time frame, and you can see that the market is clearly just using this pink zone right now as a resistance area. And so, if anything, when you're talking about should I buy it, should I sell it, I think buying it right now makes little sense as it sits underneath the 3210, 3220 level, as it sits for the past day or so underneath this pink zone. I just don't feel like buying is a clear trading decision. Buying underneath that pink zone. The clearer decision is trading in the direction of our current momentum, which is this bearish move. Let's change that to a different color. Let's make it we'll just make it this orange color. So that bearish orange trend line right there, that makes the most sense. Trading in that direction because that's the current direction the market has been going in. So under the pink zone, we're looking for it to go lower. Our risk, of course, like I said, we just don't want it to get above that pink shaded area right now. And if it does, we get out and look for something new. So that's our risk at this time, and which isn't very big. I mean, you're looking at max 20 pips. You target back down to the orange shaded area, or hopefully even a break through that orange zone. We look for it down here towards the green shaded area, 3160. Again, worst case scenario gets back above the pink shaded area now. So again, I don't think that buying yet makes sense underneath that pink zone. Selling may be a more clear opportunity here for the currency pair underneath there, as we look for it to go back down in the direction of our current trend and momentum for the USCAD today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.